Hey guys, welcome back to my channel GepRc FPV. Still on the beginner's guide on what to buy and what to avoid when getting into the FPV hobby. Today I'll be unboxing something totally different. Unlike the C2X, which is an entry-level FPV kit, today I'll be unboxing the Cinelog35 V2 HD03. Don't get scared about the name. I'll explain why during the unboxing. It's just the terms of the kind of system on board the quad. This is an exciting unboxing because I've been waiting to do this unboxing for a while. I actually got this drone a couple of months ago, but I'm waiting for the right time to do the video. So join me, let's unbox this amazing Cinelog. This is Cinelog35 V2 HD03 by GepRc. It comes in different variants, but this is the ELRS 6S version. It comes in analog, both 4S, 6S, and also it comes with different variants of receiver, including the TBS, the PNP, binary fly, which is this ELRS variant. Let's see what is inside the box, guys. This comes with an ELRS receiver, F7 board, 45 amps ESC, 03 air unit, as well as GPS. It's a 6S variant. The 03 air unit digital system is on board. Oh wow. Okay. So inside the box comes with a lot of accessories. So let's see what is inside. Comes with a battery strap, antenna tube for the ELRS antenna and the cover. Comes with a camera mount and also damping balls with lots of extra screws. This is a type B USB connector, to flash in your firmware and also configure the FC. A tweezer for removing SD card from the 03 air unit. Comes with 2 battery straps, GepRc key holder made of carbon fiber, then 3 Allen key for maintenance. Comes with this is a full GoPro mount, a 3D printed full GoPro mount. It's M5 knots. This is the battery pad. So it comes with the battery pad, and also the wrench. Then it comes with extra 4 HQ props, which is 90mm prop, 3.5 inch. Comes with 4 extra prop, but you need to get this one. I think I ordered a couple of extra props already. Then this is the Cinelog35 itself. It's wrapped in a solid pack. Let's see. These are extra screws. I think the user manual for the FC and other accessories in different language. This is an instruction with better flight configuration. I think this is an instruction for the GPS rescue mode. This is a flyer for that GepRc product. This is a user manual for the O3 air unit on board. I think that's everything inside the box. It comes with the HD03 camera and also the air unit. It's a 3.5-inch quad with 2 aluminum rail for the battery, and also XT60 plug and ELRS receiver, and as well as the GPS for rescue mode and the DJI-03 antenna. I'll be uploading the video on how to set up this quad, and also my first video flying this amazing Cinelog. So guys, we've seen everything inside the Cinelog35 box. I'll be making a video on how to set up this quad and also how to bind the O3 air unit to the DJI goggle. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'll be uploading different amazing content on FPV drones. Thank you very much.